What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another stream. I hope my voice is clear. Or let me pull mic a bit closer. So if you are new here, please subscribe. And if you're already watching since long and you have already subscribed, let's enjoy the content. I didn't came live yesterday cause of some work, and I was also thinking like related to the binary exploitation. So I thought let's give it some time. We can put halt on that box, which was a frolic. We haven't worked down with the privilege escalation cause of the binary exploitation. So we need to look into this. So let's edit its name. And we'll make it in comp binary exp exploit. Let's put it full. So with this we will have our like reminder why we haven't completed it yet. So once I'll get together with the binary exploitation, so then I'll like continue with this frolic box, although we won't be skipping that. I just have to understand like the basic logic of the binary exploitation and how it works and stuff. So I don't want to halt because of that, because there are many more things to learn other than binary exploitation. So if I just keep lurking with that only, that'll like put halt on the progress. So we're not gonna do that, so we'll close it for now. We'll continue with the Postman. As you can see, there is a reverse engineering open, and I was trying to learn. Here you can see what the file command does. It identifies a type of binary type and architecture and much more. So I'm creating a table around it. So once it's done, then I'll like start working back on the box there. And let's go to the Postman, cause this is the box that we'll be working on now. So let's fire. Yeah, I was also checking on these tracks, which is related to the binary exploitation. So I'll work on this too. For now, let's see. Okay. We have the offer going on, and 20% off. It's a $135 subscription if you just directly go. And if it's 20% off, I think it'll cut down the $28 round from the subscription. So it'll be around 100 or maybe like $6 or $7 around. I'm not sure if my calculation is right. So that's how much 20% is off is going on right now. So you guys can buy if you like. Else we are good to go. So we was talking about the box Postman. I believe this is the one. I hope there isn't any other box with this name. Yep. It's this. So let's also go to the cd cdf htb clear this out, and we're gonna machines, and in here we will create a new machine using the command mkdir, and it's postman. Okay, let's seed into the postman, clear the stuff out, and fire the machine. And if someone is in the chat, please do drop hi or something so I can like see if there is someone sitting there. No, I haven't finished the frolic machine yet, cause that's binary stuff. So I'm currently learning that. If you see, here's like Hack the Box Academy content. Here is a like intro to binary exploitation. So once I'm like, I'll figure it out like how this works and what the binary stuff is, then I'll continue on the same. And I have changed the file name incomplete binary exploitation. So once that is complete, I'll like give the whole walkthrough of the box, which is a frolic, and we'll continue on that because it's not a one night learning, so it'll take time. So just because of that, I don't want to put halt on the other progressing work. So we'll continue with this after I understand, and I'll like start working on that. Because if I just and I'm learning it behind the scenes, so like when I'm not live, but I don't want to like stop just because of this. I don't know the binary exploitation, so just because of that I'm not making progress on the other stuff. So what's your thought on that? And let's update the name, put it in the live machine. It's easy. And what else? Linux, hack the box. What else is there? Postman, Linux, easy. Let's get the info. Postman is an easy difficult machine box with which features a Redis server running without authentication. Okay, let's not spoil it. We have the authentication area, software and OS exploitation, injection, weak authentication, arbitrary file write. Don't tell me this also contains some sort of binary exploitation. Otherwise it will make it like they'll make it obvious for me to learn it on the first hand. Okay, we got the IP address. Let's put it the IP address here and here. Copy the machine URL, put it here, and host name is going to be postman.htb. And what else? Yeah, we are adding the host. Sudo manage hosts, enter, add new host, IP address, this postman.htb, and there is a plane going on. And enter. Okay, we have added the host. copy this, paste it here, cancel it, clear. We have host, and let's scan this host out and see what nmap scan has to offer. Enter. Oof. Three ports. Not bad. Okay, in total 4 ports. We also got the port 10,000. Okay, so we got the output here, mini server and stuff. Redis key value. Copy this, paste it here in the notes. And with this, note. So we have the port 80, port 10,000, which is also running the HTTP, and there is this Redis. Okay, so let's do what web for the postman.htb and see what sort of technology they are using for this. It's Apache and what else? Nothing different. Let's see about the port number 6379. Okay, bad request. Let's see the 10,000. Nothing interesting. Let's visit the my spelling is all over the place. Visit the port 80 first. And see what it offers. Let's open the browser. And it's gonna be the http :/postman.htb. Enter. Resolve all back. So this is what we have got over here. And it says it's under construction, coming soon. Nothing else. So it seems to be a static page. Yep. Let's see the source code. Wrap everything. If len LTIN what is, but it's commented, so it doesn't seem to be worth or getting load. Postman at HTB wishes for you to accept the cookie by closing this dialog. Okay. We have some core.js. Let's see all of these. Let's see if there is anything related to the password. Some mini.js, bootstrap, and micrology. This might be something like different. It might be holding something different. So let's see. Variable animated offset fail true function. Doesn't seem there is anything worth looking though. Exclamation function, stuff, Windows, timeout set is this, length, YouTube, player Vimeo. So this is an animation one. Location path replaced with this. If target is focused, check if the target was focused, return false. Back to top, slide widgets. Okay, nothing here too. Also, we have checked the what was that? View page source. Disable. We don't want this. SOURCE didn't. Some JS files are mentioned there, but doesn't contain any useful data. So let's check for the other endpoints if there is any available using puff. So the puff command should be here, and it is here. Let's just remove the distance. So this is the host, and we're gonna put it here. In text.html can be removed. It's the Linux, so we can remove something like dll.exe.com, vps, bat, ps1, md can be there, psm1, sta jar can be there, swift, html, zip, config, and all this stuff can stay there. So we'll just go for the port 80 and copy this command, clear this out, paste it here, and enter. And it started working right away. Let's wait. Okay, so much garbage. So we will just need to add a -fl, no, fw. No, let's go with the -l with line count, and it's 12. Enter, cancel, clear. Let's run it back and see if this good give it anything good. Oh. It's gonna take some time. So let's leave it to be there. Also, let's check horizontally. We can also run nuclei, although I don't recommend because that's a pretty heavy buster. But for now we have it, so we'll use it. Although I'm not sure if we can use it in exam though. Okay, so it has updated the template, and my machine is going skyrocket. Just finger cross it don't die. Someday I'll hold a powerful computer where I can actually do all this stuff freely. Someday. Okay, so Nuclei didn't give any sort of output. Skipped. Is it because of this? Let's see. No problem. We also have the port number 10,000 open. We'll check with that too. Okay, nothing here. Let's check with the port number 10,000. Machine is going crazy all the way up to, okay, 99% usage. Oh, we got a CSS on the port 80. Let's see if we'll find anything else. Okay, fonts. Okay, let's see. Nothing on the web page. Seems to be static. But we have checked the view source code and we found this CSS. And now we are getting images index.js. Good stuff. Let's see furthermore what else we get. We can specify, okay. Let's add the whole, just this. Or sync list modules. What is this? Document follows. This web server is running in SSL mode. Try the URL. Okay, instead of HTTP. Okay, so it's running on HTTPS. Understood. Let's do that. And the machine is again going skyrocket. Just give anything useful, right? So we can make progress on that. But yeah, we have the JS, we have the CS fonts. So let's directly check by ourselves if we can find anything there. It says the CSS. Let's see what's in the CSS. It has all CSS animate, colors. Oh, what is this? Carousel. It should be another CSS, right? No other directory. Go back, nothing here. So let's check the fonts. There are like three stuffs running together. First is this FUF, then the nuclei, then this browser. And it's going wild and laggy at the same time. So let's see what we have here. Owl and stuff. Fading, play, this, that. Nope. Nothing commendable or like workable. These are the form files, OTTF. OTF file, what is this? Nothing worth attention. Let's go back. Get here. Oh, there we go. We have the upload. Nice. Let's see in the upload. It seems Nuclei is taking his time, like, properly, without getting disturbed. So let's leave it like as it's running. It's uploads or it's upload? It's upload. / enter. It says 200 upload. Yep, spelling seems to be correct. Oh, there we go. Insta banner menu and some other GF. So we can cancel this and just copy this much output till here and paste it in here. Remove this. Remove this. This too. Okay, this too. And this along with this. Got the above new endpoints. But didn't got anything solid to work with, like no information disclose. So so now that we don't have any information disclosed here, what we can try is like specifically to what was that, Redis, if there is any script for this, we can try that within the like nmap. So let's go here. We have an nmap here. So we'll remove this and specify the port number this. We can remove this too. And what we're gonna do is hyphen script is equal to asterisk redis asterisk. So if there is anything related to the redis, it's gonna trigger that. So let's enter Kali, and it started fetching the stuff. Okay, I think we got some information here. We can replace this over here in the output, or maybe just this much. Nothing else. Okay, so what we have, it lists out the operating system. It lists out the version, which we already have. CPU usage, memory usage, role is master, bind address goes for anything. This is IPv6. That's also for anything. Client connection, it's our IP address. So it seems we have to somehow connect with the Redis and try to leverage Redis to perform the action further. It seems our nuclei is not able to perform anything. So we can exit from here and clear the stuff out here. We didn't got anything, so let's so now let's visit the port 10,000 and see what sort of application it's running on there, which is also another web app. We already know that because it's running on HTTP, maybe some other access or something, but let's check for now. So instead of this, let's put the port number 10,000, enter. And it says run this. Okay. And it says run it over HTTPS instead of HTTP. So let's do it. Let's open it. Okay, .htb, enter. Advanced, unsafe. Let's go. And hey, it seems we got something good. We have the login page of WebMini, regarding which I don't have any knowledge. So let's just, okay, there is nothing else, so we'll just capture this. And here we got the webmin login page, which and also this tag is new to me, so let's explore. Now what we can do is Google about this. So I'll select it and Google. What is this? WebMini is a web-based server management. Okay. Server management control panel for Unix-like system. May allow user to configure operating system. Okay, internals such as user disk codes, services and config files, as well as modify and control open source apps such as Bind, Apache, PHP, and more. So we'll just copy this content, not like this, like this. Copy this out and paste it here, which didn't paste anything. Okay, we got it. So this tech is a web-based server management control panel. We don't need this, so we'll remove it, which can do like variety of things, correct? So let's see if this has any sort of default login, or before that, let's see if this has a version here. We have a mini server version. I'm not sure if it relates to this. Okay, let's highlight it. I think it is a version for the WebMini. Okay, we have the web server version here, because it's a controller, so it should be 1.910. Okay, so we have the version of WebMini. Okay, WebMin, I believe, which is okay. So what's the version number? Let's not paste the other stuff. 1.910. 10. Okay, so it's correct. Other than that, let's also try what web https:// and see what this gives. Okay, we got unexpected reading here. I think we can make it bypass the SSL check. Does it have a SSL check bypass? Let's pipe grab SSL check. Okay, we don't have anything else, so no information, but we got it from here. Where is it? From the webalizer. This we got from the webalizer. Not paralyzer. Let's see what its default credentials, and if that didn't work, what next we can check? Next we can check if there is any exploit associated with that. Associate with the given version. So first let's check if WebMini has default credentials. And it says, let's see, by default WebMini uses Linux user account. So login as a root user using the root user password that you created on first boot. Okay. So it seems we can't use the password here because of this. Let's check if there is any exploit available for this. And first place we can check is a search exploit, and over here we're gonna give it webmin. Okay, we have plenty of stuff here, and the version we have 1.9. Enter. Okay, this has pretty big role, 1. And there we go. So we found pretty good stuff. over, let's see, search exploit. And we have found this. And it seems we have found some good stuff. Now the problem will be that the package update, do we need authentication or like authorization for this, or we can directly perform this? RPC CGI. I don't think we have the access for this file. Okay, it did trigger something, but I don't think we have the access, and I was right. We need a login for that, so like authentication is required. So another failure. Let's see if there is any sort of other endpoint here. So let's clear this out. FUF. We can go with the same, and we're gonna put a 10,000 here. And I hope we don't need to put some sort of another flag that required for SSL bypass. Okay, it seems we might need. Okay. So we need to filter our line 45 along with the line 1. Enter. Okay, it's not making progress. Seems to be broken. Okay, let's cancel this and we can try the Ferox Buster. And see if this works here. Remove the fuzz, enter. Okay, could not connect to any target provided. Ferox Buster -h pipe grep SSL. Okay, nothing. Check. Dang it. Help. Capital U, at least update it. It's up to date. Let's see if there is any sort of like bypass we can put for the SSL check. -k insecure disable. Yes, this is the one. -k we need. So we'll put it here in the very beginning. Enter. Now it should run. And as expected, it started running. But it's too slow. Not sure if the FUF has the same thing. FUF -h pipe grep SSL. Nope. What was the flag for this? Insecure. Oh, a TLS flag. Nope. Target TLS does not support buzzword. Okay. In secure. Anything related to that? Nope. Enter. Let's check by ourselves. Ignore the word list comments. Yeah, we need pretty much. Hyphen E, comma separated, list of extension. Hyphen data search compatible. Oh, that was a pretty OG tool, or it is a pretty OG tool. It's just some stuff has been deprecated for that and it's misbehaving nowadays. V for verbose, concurrent threads, stop when 90% of response return forbidden. Search for fuff hash payload. We don't need that. Stop some shit. Okay, it's running below. Need to keep up with that too. Okay, so it's just spitting the garbage. We can cancel this. Clear this out. Config, show version, we don't need that. AC automatic collaborate. Okay, well, automatic calibrate filtering options. Custom auto calibration strength. Okay, that's gonna do that. Colorized output. JSON max time. Target reply max recursion depth. We have like infinite. Do not encode URL. Follow the redirections. We can try this. -R. Post data. Use methods. Okay, I think we can try -R here, so it will redirect if anything's coming this way. Let's try -R. Enter. Collapse this. Ouch. My knees. We can say that this is also not the right way. So let's cancel this. But it seems we need login for this. But we can try read this at least. Search exploit -X, paste the number, enter, and it says the name, description, author who has like created this exploit, privilege, payload, CMD, RPort, SSL, payload is Perl, and yes, it register operation. It needs a username and password along with the target URL. So I think we need to pull out the like what the hell, login first. So for this, the only place which is left for us, login for this. So the only place left for us to check is it's Redis, which is running over here. Let's remove this. Someone is on the door. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. So it says Redis for number given store stuff, and we can remove this, or maybe this too. Okay, /TCP. Let's see if there is any exploit for this too. Search exploit. Redis 4.0.9. Enter. And there's shit again. The buffer overflow. Please. Like, I'll be tackling all these buffer overflow boxes now, and I think the only way is left for me is to like try the write-ups. At least that won't pause stuff. Maybe I'll be able to understand side by side and make further progress on the buffer overflow by myself on the other side. What do you say, brother? Right or wrong? Or maybe we don't need something like that, like we might be able to directly get in or something, but I don't think. So let's copy this and paste it here. And it seems that we have the buffer overflow. Okay, wrong spelling. Overflow here too. Let's highlight it. Let's now let's read the exploit and try that to get what we are looking for. So it's a Python based. So let's see what this has. Search exploit -m, and with the exploit number 44904, enter, and we can cat this and put it here. It's a Python. Paste. And let's see what it says. It says that buffer overflow in Redis CLI for Redis version this 3.2, 4.0 and 5.0 allows a local attacker to achieve code execution and escalate to higher privilege via a long string in the hostname parameter. Got it. So first it has created the string with length of something. Could not connect to Redis. Where it gives out the error name or service node known. Then it says hash O, which is another binary value, hexa value in VSN printf. And what it says, home user LLVM projects compiler RT libasn sanitizer common interceptor. Like, what I'm not getting is what we are doing here. Okay, we have Redis nodes. So let's refer to that. There we go. And it contains some stuff. Not much, but some. And to connect the server, we need the host name, port, and the password. And for this, I don't think we require the password. We can remove the unwanted content. So let's go here. Let's connect with the Redis via CLI and try the given stuff. Search. Let's clear this out. Redis CLI for the host, it's gonna be postman.htp, and for the user, I don't know what the user is going to be. Oh, we have the host, we need a port number, right? So I think port is same. What's the port number here for the Redis? 6379, right? And here 6379. So yeah, it's a default port. Let's press enter. And are we connected here? ls. Okay, that's an unknown command. Let's see if we can Google some stuff out. Redis. CLI commands. Tutorial point. Redis all commands. Let's see. I need something more easy to read stuff. Who is messaging me right now? Yeah, soup, I know. Okay, let's see. The first is we connect with the system, providing the stuff, and it says, oh shit, ping. Pong? What the hell? Message, yo. Okay, it's responsive. Let's see what else. Key command, set tutorial point, Redis, delete. What about, we want to list the stuff which is already in their lists. I'll push, no, we want to read the stuff in it. How do we read the stuff? There was a command, let's see, do we have it here? Execute Redis commands like this. Error. What's -c? Shit. Connect to the local cluster. I think we need to look for Redis cheat sheet. Fast and easy way to work around the stuff. Pentest cheat sheet. There we go. Don't blast, don't blast. Okay, let's see. Over here, nothing. CLI-H. We are already inside the tool. Banner. Redis. Authentication. Info. Oh shit. Okay, it's sharing the same stuff which was shared by the admap. executable. This, what differ here? Git show one thing. Client list. Redis response with connected client. Okay, let's see. And this is our IP address, and we are currently connected with it. Okay, what's the next one? Note that Redis commands are an instance, can be renamed or removed by the Redis config file. Okay, config get. Let's see. What the hell is this config? Database file name dump.rdb. Can we get it like this? Something? Nope. Or do we need to like something like this? Empty array strict. And here in between, do we need to provide something like this? Nope. Okay, too much information. Let's see. Now the Redis command instance, and yes, we need to know. For example, that line will remove the command flush db. So we're not flushing anything. Other Redis command can be found here and here. I need to dump the stuff. So tell me something related to that. Set hashes, record types, model and collection of field value pairs such as Redis hashes, assemble this stuff, overview, command reference, get. What's this? Get get asterisk, enter thing, key field asterisk nil, field user, pass. But if I do user and put asterisk here, pass asterisk, enter, clear. Nope, not working. What can be done here? Let's see what else is there. Home, Redis. This is empty. Did brother like laid it out the stuff? API is there. Redis. Redis. 1, 2, 3. Nope. Search list all keys. Okay, if we do the key and asterisk, it'll okay. It's keys. Enter. Empty array. Pass. Nope. Pass. Nope. Enter. Wrong command. That is there, man. Working. Anywhere, like any good place where we can find like a clear information. Yes, I already tried this command. Config get paste selection, and it throws quite a big number of information. Memory max 0. Dump RDB. Dump database. The Redis allowed db dump in background. You can issue a dump at any time. Run bg save. This background saving started. We don't want to list any sort of connection, so let's see any other. Okay, let's see. Monitor. Not working. However, often Redis dump in background. Yes. Let's see what's here. Sentinel master determines sentinel slaves. Okay. Nothing useful here. Redis. Command keys match. List all key matches. Expire. Increment the value. Decrement and prepends one or multiple values to list. Or push appends. L pop, remove and get the first element in a list. R pop, remove and get the last element. Get all members in a set. Exploit Redis for remote code execution. Okay, so what we are doing is like we are just directly fleshing out the stuff and giving it stuff that we want it to run. Over here we have created a new key and we are making it to save that key for us over this, and after that we can try and access the machine using the same key. Not bad. Okay, so we can try this loss set here where we can create a like key for ourselves, SSH key, and that key we can provide it to the Redis, which will set it for us. And after that, we can perform the multiple steps which are required. Not bad. Could be the fastest way to like get the SSH. Okay, exploit our Redis. For remote code execution, but this, the flush all is like a pretty damn big step. If we perform this, it's gonna remove everything from the system and make the Redis as clean as new. So that's a step we have to think about before we like perform. And it should be mentioned here somewhere. Nope. That's weird. It is one of the commands that should be here. Okay, it's not here. We can check that later. No, I don't want to put anything here. So, who am I? Let's see, we have triggered the dump. Did we got anything out of it? I think we can remove the ferox. ls-la. Nothing. ls-home/kali. Enter. Anything into the Redis. Let's see if there is a new folder or directory related to the Redis. Nope. Oh, we have this. But I don't think we have the dump file that we triggered. Saved on our local system. Okay, so I guess we have found like what would be our next step. We'll be using this exploit for remote code execution. We'll be using either this or this, which is unauthorized SSH access via Redis exploitation. So we have like two ways to perform it. So tomorrow we will try this and try to access it as fast as possible so we can get dealt with at least the first part. Then we'll make progress on the further section. So let's end it for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow around same time. So till then, bye bye. Though we still didn't made any like progress, or I'm feeling like that I should be like finishing this at least so we can get a single access at least. Should I? No, we'll do it tomorrow. Okay, guys, see you tomorrow. I'll be back. I promise we'll complete this box tomorrow. So till then, see you guys. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe.